Hey there, John Hooks here from John-Hooks.com. Welcome to my review of Tube Atlas. Here I am in the, well, it's not the members area, but it is the demo video that I will be showing you in just a couple of minutes. This is an awesome multifaceted tool. Let's get over to my bonus page where I will tell you more about it, tell you about the pricing and the bonuses that I have for you. And so to get to my bonus page from YouTube, go ahead and click on the link next to or beneath this video that says get my exclusive bonuses and Tube Atlas here. Click that link and it will take you to this page that you see in front of you now. So let's talk about this real quickly. It's a breakthrough software that uncovers top searches, YouTube shorts, hashtags, videos, channels, and trends from YouTube with 12 built-in tools. Okay, a little bit more about what it is. The new Tube Atlas software is a YouTube research desktop app that runs on both PC and Mac. So it's a desktop app. Tube Atlas is the world's first YouTube content research desktop software with 12 powerful built-in tools for easily uncovering hidden high-converting videos, channels, trends, top searches, extract unlimited legal content, and a lot more. You know, people can use this software to research top earning videos and channels and keywords and trends. They can use it to extract emails from video descriptions and channel descriptions. Use it to extract unlimited legal content from YouTube videos. Use it to conduct research for clients and deliver all sorts of interactive documents. Can use it to analyze thousands of video comments in just seconds. Can use it, the built-in web browser to analyze all videos and channels in on any web page on YouTube or any web page on the internet that contains YouTube video links. In fact, you can extract and analyze all videos from any given YouTube channel and then sort the estimated ad revenue column to instantly see the top earning videos in just minutes. Okay, and so before we go to the pricing, let's go ahead and jump into the demo video here. I'll disappear and we will go ahead and get started.
Welcome to Tube Atlas, a powerful PC and Mac desktop software that uncovers top trending searches as well as top performing videos and channels directly on YouTube. But that is seriously just a tiny sliver of what this incredible software can do for your business. In this video, you will also discover how to get free unlimited legal content, how to extract leads, and even reveal the estimated ad revenue for any video on YouTube. This first-to-market software packs an incredible 12 powerful built-in tools for researching data and optimizing your content on YouTube. There is nothing on the planet that contains all of these tools in one easy-to-use software application. It's no secret that YouTube is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to getting fresh new leads, customers, and product sales to your business. In fact, YouTube gets 14.3 billion visitors per month. That's more than Facebook, Wikipedia, Amazon, and Instagram. Think about that for a minute. Billions of people are searching for advice about products and services on YouTube right now. And directly from Google, 90% of people say they discover new brands and products on YouTube every single day. So the question you should be asking yourself is, am I using YouTube to its full potential in my business? Well, let me show you how Tube Atlas can uncover powerful data you can use to take advantage of YouTube marketing. Check this out. You can quickly extract hundreds of highly targeted keywords directly from YouTube, and then see the YouTube search volume index over the past year for those keywords at just a click of a button. You can even see trends across other Google properties such as web search, images, news, and even Google Shopping. But I am just getting warmed up. Inside the video tool, you can pull back 25 different data points, instantly revealing the top videos for any search phrase. You get access to valuable insights such as the total views, likes, comments, subscribers, and even estimated video earnings from ad revenue. There is no other tool online that provides this level of analysis for YouTube data. Need a never-ending source of fresh, hot, trending data? We even integrated a feature that extracts the current trending top YouTube videos with just a single click. But the real power of this tool comes from the built-in Browse and Extract feature. With this feature, you can simply browse any page on YouTube or any page on the internet that contains YouTube video links. And with the click of a button, you can analyze all the found videos, extracting 25 powerful data points instantly. And I didn't stop there. Over the recent years, I've got a flood of customer requests asking me to design software that analyzes YouTube channels. You asked? And I delivered. With a quick keyword search or by simply browsing YouTube inside the built-in web browser, you can quickly extract 17 data points for all given channels. Instantly see the total videos, views, subscribers, estimated total earnings, average earnings per video, as well as extract all external links connecting to each channel. Imagine instantly revealing a channel's top videos that are earning the most ad revenue. Need to collaborate or collect potential leads from YouTube? In both the video and channel tools, you can pull back email addresses found in the video and channel descriptions, making it very easy to get the contact information you need fast. Now, did you know there is a massive amount of free content you are legally allowed to use from YouTube? Millions of videos on YouTube have a Creative Commons attribution license, which, according to YouTube, this license allows you to reuse those videos and video content freely. So to take advantage of this amazing source of incredibly valuable and free content on YouTube, we integrated a feature to get videos with the Creative Commons license. And we integrated a powerful video to text tool that converts the speech into text in just seconds, so you can reuse the content in your own marketing. With a click of a button, you can legally transform content from YouTube into blog posts, articles, eBooks, email promotions, social posts, anything you desire. Not only that, we integrated an auto punctuator, allowing you to instantly punctuate the video content at the click of a button. Just when you thought that was cool, well, check this out. We also built in a very efficient content spinner that always produces human-readable content by utilizing the free Google Translate tool. To make it even easier, you can download video files, video thumbnail images, audio files, and video files with no audio for any video on YouTube. You can also uncover an absolute treasure trove of content from video comments, but manually reading through thousands of comments from several videos is nearly impossible. With the built-in comments tool, you can quickly extract thousands of video comments into a data grid, allowing you to quickly analyze the top comments and discover valuable insights in seconds instead of hours. Instantly see the comments that contain questions or profanity, as well as reveal the most frequent word combinations. This powerful feature quickly allows you to find the most common issues in just a few minutes, or uncover amazing niche ideas you would have never thought of. Now, YouTube is always evolving with new amazing features, and YouTube Shorts is one of the hottest trends this year and taking the internet by storm. YouTube is following the massive success of TikTok and Instagram Reels by introducing their own short-form video platform. In fact, YouTube Shorts receive over 15 billion daily views. With Tube Atlas, you can easily analyze unlimited YouTube Shorts revealing the top earning videos. Need help generating powerful and effective titles for your videos or client videos? Simply enter a few keywords related to your video topic into the built-in title generator tool, and it will instantly pump out over 1,200 different titles you can use or modify to fit your video content. I also built in 2 more powerful tools for revealing more top keywords to help fuel the success of your video or content marketing campaigns. The Tag Analyzer tool instantly extracts all the tag keywords from given videos, showing you the most valuable tags based on real data. But what about analyzing the keywords in video titles? No problem. We made a tool for that too. Simply click the Title Analyze option to instantly see the top word combinations that you can be targeting in your own marketing. So stop guessing what the best keywords are and let Tube Atlas do all the heavy lifting for you. But what about hashtags? Let's be honest, trying to figure out the best hashtags to optimize your video descriptions can be a real pain in the ass. But inside Tube Atlas, you can generate the best hashtags using 4 different methods to maximize your success. Quickly generate hashtags from the Keyword Generator tool, the Trends tool, as well as the Tag Analyzer and Title Analyzer tools. It's never been easier to get very powerful hashtags you would have never thought of. With over 12 powerful built-in tools waiting for you inside Tube Atlas, you will have a massive unfair advantage over your competition by uncovering top-performing content on YouTube in just minutes. With Tube Atlas, you not only have the power to uncover top videos and channels, but you also have the ability to create unlimited free, unique, and legal content from hundreds of millions of videos on YouTube. To celebrate the release of the new Tube Atlas software, we are offering a limited time discount where you can get access at the lowest price. And that's not all. You also get access to our online video description generator, video description templates, and online hashtag generator bonus tools. Plus, you also get 10 computer installs for you and your team, including partners, employees, outsourced team, or even your family. In addition, with the commercial license, you can generate interactive HTML reports and other documents that you can deliver to your clients as a service and keep 100% of the income. With our ironclad money-back guarantee, you can try the software for 30 days completely risk-free. In just minutes from now, you can start uncovering the best converting content, get access to unlimited free legal content, collect targeted leads, and so much more directly from YouTube. Don't miss out on this limited time offer and take action right now. From our family to yours, thanks for choosing Tube Atlas.
All right, so can you handle all of that? All right, what is this going to cost you? I was amazed of the price, how low it was with all that you get. So everything that we talked about and that you saw in the demo video, $37. All right, there are 2 OTOs, 2 upsells. OTO number 1 is the Tube Video Translator and Tube Video Tracker desktop software for $47. And so you get the Tube Video Translator. It can translate your video titles and descriptions into over 100 different foreign languages and other information. And the Tube Video Tracker, track software extracts to the top ranking keywords. All right, and OTO number 2 is a 4-pack of the top softwares in one bundle for $97. Software number 1 is the Keyword Atlas. Software number 2 is Pen Inspector. Software number 3 is the Craft Inspector. Software number 4 is the Craft Niche analyzer. All right, and so remember these 12 different benefits that you get here. Keyword generator, trend generator, video analyzer, browser extractor, channel analyzer, video to text converter, comment analyzer, content spinner, video title generator, video downloader, tag analyzer, and 12 video title analyzer, all with that 100% money back guarantee. Try it, no risk, for 30 days. I have that video, that demo video, on my bonus page here, so you can bookmark this bonus page if you want to come back and take a look at that at any time. If you haven't already, go ahead and click any of the red banners on my page to take you through to get your copy of it. Now, I do have some fantastic bonuses for you. I'll go through pretty quickly because I know this video is getting long. 5,000 visitors for you. So if you have an offer, a lead magnet that you want to get traffic to, 5,000 visitors, and on top of that, 2,500 text ads and 2,500 banner impressions. All right. Bonus number 2, side hustle secrets, highly effective ways to make additional money online. Bonus number 3, triple traffic. Get your URLs on traffic rotators with tens of thousands of viewers. Bonus number 4, monthly income system. And bonus number 5, essential emails. And bonus number 6 are the bonuses that Tube Atlas is giving to you through me for purchasing Tube Atlas today. Again, at any time, click the red banner. We'll go ahead and get you over to your secure checkout. You'll end up on the, well, actually, this is not sold through Warrior Plus. This is Pay Kickstart. But there will be a bonus link on that checkout page. It'll say John's bonuses, and you'll click that to get all the bonuses that I just talked about, up here. Okay. That is it. Let me go ahead and ask you to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and do that thumbs up and find that alert bell. Thank you much. That is it. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my review, my demo, my bonuses, for this fantastic software. Go ahead and pick it up while the price is still at the introductory price. I understand that the price will increase or may increase at the end of the introductory period, which ends when my timer runs down to 0 and disappears. Okay, so with that, as always, to your success.